Waking up to the morning glow, the ocean whispers soft and low. Dolphins dance in the golden light. Let's chase our dreams, take flight tonight. With every wave that crashes near, I hear the laughter in the clear. The sun kisses the sea so bright, in the rhythm of this pure delight. Here on the coast where the heart finds peace, in the harmony our worries cease. With the dolphins swimming side by side, we ride the tide, let the world collide. Footprints in the sand, stories unfold, moments of magic, whispers untold. Every splash a melody so sweet, in this paradise our hearts will meet. Oh, dance with me under the sunrise, let the waves carry our sighs. With your hand in mine we'll explore the shore. Love like this we can't ignore. Here on the coast where the heart finds peace, in the harmony our worries cease. With the dolphins swimming side by side, we ride the tide, let the world collide. Every heartbeat a song of the sea, in this moment just you and me.